Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool song here from David Kushner. It's called Dirty Dog. Okay, and before we go on with this tutorial, I just want to highlight this Dirty Dog here. Oh, it's actually not dirty. It's a great dog. A guitar from Anchor Guitars. Yes, I keep mentioning them because I really can recommend them. Great choice if you want to have a good guitar for a good price, valued well, and yes, you can even use my coupon code GordonGuitar10 to get even 10% off. You're gonna land about $300 mark or even cheaper than that. Great deal here. So grab it, great deal at Gordon Guitar here, 10% off, and that is about the Anchor guitar. Now let's go into this tutorial. We have a song from David Kushner, Always Welcomed. 5 chords, that is what we have to learn. So let's go into it. No need for any capo here, you can see that, and let's go into the chords. We have the D minor first, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next chord will be the A minor, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We also got the G chord, and that is third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. Okay, that is for the verse play, and for chorus we have to add 2 more chords. First one will be C, and that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final one is the F. Okay, so that is a bar chord. You place the index finger here on the first fret, you push down, all strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. All right, so this will be very quick and simple, guys. We need to learn the strumming pattern. So if you grab the chord here, we can take the G, for instance, and you'll have a strumming pattern of 4 downs, okay? And you want to play like this. Okay, so notice there I'm playing on the bass strings on these E, A, D or so. That is in the bass area. For all these downs, the first, the second, and the fourth. The third down, I go down on the higher strings, on the G, B, and E string down there, and play that on the third down. So it will be bass, bass, top, bass. And so on. All right, so there you have the strumming. Now let's go into the verse play, and you're gonna play D minor, 1 of these strumming rounds. Then you shift to A minor and play 1, and then you go to G and play 2. Okay, you're gonna roll that for a couple of rounds there. So D minor 1, A minor 1, and G 2. All right, so that is the verse play, and final chorus play. Let's go into that. It happens about 44 seconds in. I'm drinking till I can't sleep. I think that's where on the lyrics. And what you're going to do now is to play D minor 1, C1, G1, and F1. That's it. So let's go for a round with D minor 1, C1, G1, F1. And that's it, guys. That is how you handle a song. You have the verse play, the chorus play, all the tools you need to handle David Kushner, his song called Dirty Dog. All right, so good luck with this one, guys. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.